Here's a Hampton Bay Landmark 3. I'm doing a do better video because the controller there, the low speed's broken on it. So, I also forgot to mention you. This fan blade's reversed from white to cane. So, it is a cool fan. Well, this is an early version of the Landmark 3. Well, Landmark 3 Plus has reversed from white to bleached oak. Well, this is an early version, and it's also made back in 2008. They started made by King of Fans. In 2010, I think 2010 is when they probably got discontinued and replaced by the Glendale. I know the Glendale today is not a good fan. So, anyways, here it is. I'm gonna do factory speeds since the control's broken. Like I said, here's low. Here's one in my room that's running on high due to dry bearings. It just got that this morning. My parents like it on low. That's about low. It's got a really nice low speed to it, so here's medium. As you can tell, one of the blades are a little bit severely bent, out of shape, so they are a little out of clock. One's probably bent up, which is really severe. One's bent down. Some of them are bent out of shape, so many new blade brackets like that one would need to be replaced back there because of the dry bearings. Or they could replace the bearings. Here's high. It does move from air. Although it does wobble a lot. No, wobble a little. But wobbles a lot in reverse. What the heck? One of the blades must reverse to bleached oak, too. I guess one of the blades could have gotten replaced. I think it's this one. It's reversed to bleached oak. Put it back to high. So I cannot use the cane side. It does move some air on high speed, so here's spin down. And then I'll reverse it. I'm going to try to demonstrate those on Gulf Coast fans in the dance room, maybe sometime in the future without getting caught, because sometimes they're security staff, and sometimes those fans are rickety because they're old. They should replace them with like newer they should replace them maybe with Fanimations. That would be pretty cool. But they like to get their stuff from Home Depot. I don't know why. But Home Depot quality fans, they're just junk today. Especially the Farmington. The Farmington capacitors are known to fail. And the other ones are junk. And big, no, the Farmingtons are. I wish there were no Farmingtons around. It's in reverse already. Here's low reverse. And I'm gonna leave it on low forward because my parents like it on low, and the low speed's broken on the control. Here's one time I was like, is this room a regular room? And I was like, nope, it's a suite. But I wish it had a living room or a dish or a kitchen so we could cook stuff. So one problem at this hotel. It's about low. Here's medium. Here's high. Seat does real wobble severely on high speed, so I'm gonna put it on medium. It's in the back to downdraft. Let's see if it's on high. Yep. That is it. That's the Hampton Bay early landmark ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Bye.